What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my tutorial, and in today's demonstration we are going to set up an automation in Zendesk to remind agents about tickets that have been pending for more than 48 hours. This automation is going to be used to remind agents to follow up on tickets that have been pending more than 48 hours and to ensure a timely customer support and to prevent any delays. Let's get started. So we will first go to Admin Center, and then we will go to Objects and Rules, and we will go to Automations. We are then going to click on Add Automation. We'll select a title for this automation. For this demo, we are going to select it as Pending Ticket Reminder. Now we will continue with setting conditions. We will select ticket status is, and we will choose the value here as pending. We will go ahead and add a second condition. We will set this as ticket hours since update, and we will make it greater than 48 because it's 48 hours. And we will add a third condition, which is ticket tags, and then we will select here contains none of the following, and we will write down here pending reminder sent. Okay. So why are we adding this third condition? It's to prevent the automation from triggering again on tickets that have already been processed by this automation. And then we will go to Actions. Now we will select Notifications User Email. We will select Assignee. Subject will be, we will write it as Reminder Pending Ticket Follow-up Required. So we will go ahead now and write the email body. We will write hi. Now, just to mention to you guys also, when you click on View Available Placeholders, you've got a whole bunch of preset available placeholders to use and select from. But in this instance, I have selected the assignee name. We will go ahead now and add a second action. We will select Add Tags. Value will be pending reminder sent. And the reason that we are actually adding the second action is to ensure that tickets are marked as processed and to prevent further triggering of this automation. And there we go, guys. We have finalized all the details required to complete this automation. We will click on Create Automation, and boom, there we have it. I hope this was helpful to you guys. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, click subscribe, and please comment down below if you have any queries on this tutorial, or if you would like me to show you any demonstration of anything specific that you would like to know about. I'll see you in the next one.